Tissue engineering and regenerative medicine have a unique and also a different approach. While tissue engineering primarily focuses on creating artificial tissues and organs ex vivo, which means outside of the body, regenerative medicine emphasizes in vivo stimulation of the body's natural regenerative processes. The core principles of tissue engineering are scaffold design that provides structural support for cell growth. Cell culture systems encourage tissue formation, and bioactive molecules to regulate cell behavior and tissue development. Regenerative medicine principles often relies on stem cells, which have the capacity to differentiate into various cell types and growth factors to stimulate tissue regeneration. Also, autologous or allogeneic cell therapies involve transplanting cells into the patient to aid in regeneration. The challenge of tissue engineering are scaffold biocompatibility, while in regenerative medicine ensuring the controlled differentiation and survival of stem cells is a concern.